Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Hopefully you've been following Hurricane Elsa as it makes its way through the Carolinas. Charlotte and Raleigh, please, if you have a drainage issue and you need our service, sign up online. Both Kevin in Charlotte and Ed in Raleigh are extremely busy, and this saturated soil adding more with this storm is going to make a lot of calls and a lot of floods. So just urging you to please use our service sign up and get on the schedule if you have a drainage issue. Probably the number one problem in the Carolinas is crawl space, and then number two is going to be that yard. The French drain, the downspout drains. These things are very important, and if you've been living with this problem and you need to get it corrected, now is the time. This little animation really shows all the parts of the rainwater drainage system, from the gutters and the downspouts, how that water travels from the gutters and going out through the pipe out to the street. We've got storm drains and catch basins, and of course there's the French drain. Take a look. The most important drain in this system is the downspout drain line. This moves that roof water away from the house, and then all the other drains that we install attach to this line and go out to the street. If you're going to do one thing in your yard, I would suggest that you have the downspout drain addressed. In other words, if you don't have one, let's get one installed. If you have one, it should be cleaned and maintenanced. By cleaning the downspout drain, we can find out what's going on underground. If that pipe's broken or collapsed, we can make a small repair, or perhaps we need to replace the system. But the only way you can find out is to try to clean it. As this storm Elsa travels up and moves through the Carolinas, it's going to dump a lot of water, and now is the time to get on the schedule. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.